Alright everybody, Savage Granny here. How y'all doing this Saturday? So, I'm just going to quickly swatch these beautiful Model 1s polishes here on the swatch wheel that was in the kit. I'm kind of filming differently, that way y'all can see it better. But it's kind of in my way. This one's pretty sheer. I think it'd take a couple of coats to get it like the right. And you see how it's. I think I'm just gonna kind of. I don't want any lines in it, you know. Let's see if we can. There, how's that? It looks better to me. Alright, there we go. This is a very thick polish. I'm going to be doing some videos on some sets, making some sets. So, y'all be watching for those. I know y'all been waiting for some of those. I've been working on my editing skills and all that with these kind of mail videos, you know, and the review videos and stuff, so I haven't done a voiceover yet, but I have added little voiceover parts to videos. So, I love to talk, y'all, okay? And so it'd be hard for me to sit here and not talk to y'all. And I don't know if I do record it with me going ahead and talking how to, voice over that. I don't know how to do that yet. So, I'm sure I could ask one of my nail sisters and they would be able to tell me. Tammis Manis, she just put her new video up, and it's her first video. So, y'all, please go check her out. She's new to the group. And definitely show her some love. You can tell her Granny sent you if you want to, And subscribe to her channel. She's new. She's newer than me to YouTube, so. And I'm still trying to hit my 100 mark, y'all. Help me get there. Then we'll be doing the giveaway. Oh, this is a glitter. Okay. Look at this. How sweet is this? Oh, yeah, I'm digging that. That's nice. That is really nice. I'm digging it. So you could do a few coats of this if you wanted, or you could put this over a different color. That's pretty. Pretty. And now this next one is the thermal changing one, okay? Why is it going on like that? See, it got glitter and stuff in it too. I believe it does. It says chameleon on the bottle. That's really, really pretty. I see I just wiped most of that off of there. Just be very light and touch it up there. Alright, well, there we go with those. I might put them in the lamp over here and cure them. That's it for the Model 1 swatches that came in the big kit of what's in the big box, y'all. Okay, let's see. There we go. So y'all stay true to yourselves, and you'll always be fabulous. And remember, Granny loves you. Mwah!